Before we start this video, I want you to think about your house. Just think about it. How big is your house? How many bedrooms do you have? How many windows do you have in your entire house? Think about it a minute. How many windows in the place where you sleep? And how big are those windows? Like a foot or like a square foot? A window that's 1 square foot is an awfully small window. So maybe your windows are like 5 square feet, or maybe it's like a big window and it's like 15 feet long and like 2 feet tall. No, wait, no, that's still kind of skinny. How big are your windows? But see, I got this building here that I want you to take a look at. I want you to notice some things about this building. I just have 3 questions for you. What do you notice about this building? What do you wonder about this building? Now, see, I have lots of questions. The third thing I want you to think about is what's missing. First of all, I want to know who owns this building. I can't imagine how much this thing costs to build, much less how much it costs to maintain. I really want to know who owns the building. But I look around and I know this is the Middle East. This is near the Arabian coast. And the Middle East has a big desert in it. And the desert is mostly hot. And I've been in hot places before, and I always see air conditioners hanging outside of windows. So where's the air conditioner? Do you see something else that's missing? We're going to come back to this. But right now, I just want you to answer these 3 questions. What do you notice? What do you wonder? And what's missing? Later on, we're going to talk a lot more about the windows that are on this building.